Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna do another unboxing, and this time it's the Clover Amour hook set. Now I've been hearing a lot of good things about the Clover Amour, and apparently this is the best of the best out there. But are these hooks really as good as everyone says they are? Let's have a close look and go over all the aspects, and then you can decide for yourself what you think about them. So I found this package waiting for me as I got home from work one day, all tired and hungry, and I find that opening these packages at the end of the day make me happy. It's one of my little joys. Alright, to find packages waiting for me, it's either a new crochet hook set or some yarn that I bought online. Alright, and this one comes from Malaysia or Indonesia, I forget. And as you see, the box is a bit dented, but that's okay. I hope the hooks are intact. Alright, so the only problem with unboxing at the end of the day is that I don't have that natural lighting coming from my window. So all I have is this lamp, and if you notice, most of the unboxing videos are a bit darker. That's because I usually do this at the end of the day when I come home from work, right? And I'm happy that the seller put a lot of bubble wrap to protect my hooks. Right, so underneath all of these bubble wrap, we finally see the Clover Amour, and there's a thank you note, and I think he has or she has included the receipt. Okay, it says there. Alright, and finally, these are the beautiful Clover Amour hooks that I've been hearing about. Alright, so as you can see, this is the outer packaging. It's just placed in a hard plastic case that serves as its protective case. It says Amour crochet hook set, and also in other languages. Some information at the back, the sizing, the millimeter sizing of the hook. So from 2.0 millimeters to I think 6 millimeters. This is made in Japan. Now I'm gonna try to get the hooks out of that hard plastic case. And let's see the hooks one by one. So I'm just gonna set this aside, but I'm not gonna throw it away because I might need it later. Alright, so these are the hooks, and these are colorful. As you can see, there's one color assigned for one size. So if you've been crocheting for a long time, you already know that using an ergonomic hook can make the biggest difference in crocheting. And these Clover Amour hooks, as you can see, have this rubber handle made of elastomer rubber handle, and it fits perfectly in your hand. I have tried using the Clover crochet hooks, and I'm actually making a shawl right now using it, and I found that it's very comfortable to use, just like the tulip or the soft touch. These Clover crochet hooks are lightweight, ergonomic, colorful, and overall a fantastic set of hooks. They fit perfectly in my hand, and my hands never feel fatigued or hurt, even if I use it for many hours. So these handles make for the perfect grip. I was just surprised at how not shiny the metal hooks were compared with other hooks. So if you compare it with, of course, this is the Furls. The Furls Odyssey is made of nickel and it's understandably shinier. But as you can see, the Clover Amour metal hooks are very dull and not shiny. Okay, this is a generic hook. This is a generic hook that I have. And as you can see, when you compare, it's even shinier than the Clover Amour, which surprised me because if Clover Amour is one of the is the best out there or the best of the best out there, I wonder why they skimped on the design or the look. The Clover Amour hooks are great for different crocheting styles. So whether you do a knife hold or a pencil grip, these hooks are perfect for both styles. And the Clover Amour hooks are tapered in style and they have an easy grip handle, a smooth shaft that the yarn can glide over. Looking it up on the net, it says here that the Clover Amour hooks have a steel hook shaft and the standard sizes have a metal aluminum shaft, but the larger sizes have a shaft made of ABS resin. Okay, so here we are testing. I'm testing the hooks and I find that the yarn glides smoothly in the metal shaft. There's no snagging and no friction, and I can crochet very fast using this crochet hook. So if you're one of those crocheters that want to finish projects very quickly, I think the Clover Amour is the best hook for you. It's lightweight, the design is beautiful. You can rest your thumb on the flat part of the handle, and at the back of the handle is a hump which provides a good spot for you to rest your fingers. Alright, so as you can see, there was no problem in starting this project by just using this very beautifully made crochet hook. Ergonomic crochet hooks are really the best. Once you use ergonomic crochet hooks, you can never go back to those cheap metal hooks. Why are these hooks so famous? Alright, I think the Clover Amour crochet hooks are known for their comfortable, easy grip handles that are both ergonomic and come in vibrant colors. So as I said a while ago, the hooks are made with an elastomer rubber handle so that it can provide a comfortable grip, which makes crocheting for hours without any hand pain. So I guess this kind of hook is good for people with arthritis and any hand injuries or hand pain. So is the Clover Amour worth the money? Definitely, it's the best bang for your buck, and you should definitely buy a set of the Clover Amour hooks if you're looking to buy a crochet hook set for all your crocheting needs. Alright, and because my hooks came with a hard plastic case with no home, I thought that I should buy it a home, and this is one of the things that I saw online. Okay, as you can see, the seller wrapped it in this beautiful brown paper that said open me. Alright, this is the Clover case for the Clover Amour. Alright, that's the label. As you can see, it's also from Japan. And I couldn't just let my beautiful Clover Amour hooks be scattered all around, so I thought of buying it a case, and this one seems to be the perfect case for those handles because the Clover Amour hooks have a unique handle, as you can see, so it may not fit in any other case. Okay, so I got this one that is made perfectly for the Clover Amour hooks. So there's the label, right? It's made of a canvas material. It's very sturdy, and the zippers are durable. Now we see the inside. Okay, the inside is also made from a synthetic durable material. There's a pocket at the side for scissors and stitch markers. Okay, so now we're checking the inside. It looks like there's a flap for covering the metal shaft of the hooks, the metal parts of the hooks. And there are 10 slots for crochet hooks. Okay, I'm checking the pockets. This can be used for putting your scissors, and okay, I'm gonna get the crochet hooks and let's see how well they look inside this protective crochet hook case. So it's a pity that it's just placed in this hard plastic without any casing at all. That's why maybe it's a lot cheaper than the other hook sets, because the other hook sets already came with their own protective cases. Okay, whereas the Clover Amour didn't. Alright, so it's a bit cheaper than the other hooks. It's still expensive, but the price is lower than the other hooks. Alright, so I'm gonna start with maybe the smallest ones. Okay, so I'm looking at the sizes. I'm not yet familiar with the sizing and the colors. because this is the first time I've had a Clover Amour crochet hook set. Okay, so apparently the yellow-green one goes first, the lime one, and the yellow, and then the orange, then the pink one, the fuchsia. And the next one is the purple, and I think it's the blue one, the sky blue one, and the darker blue, cerulean blue, the green, and finally the brown one. So there's one more slot left for another size in case I buy another Clover Amour in a different sizing that is not included in this set. There's an extra slot, and I like that because, as you remember in my Clover Soft Touch unboxing, I have extra Clover Soft Touch hooks that need a home, but the case does not provide any extra space, only for the 8 hooks that it came with. So this is the perfect hook case for the Clover Amour hook set. I'm very happy that I bought it because now my Clover Amour hooks won't just be lying around somewhere or placed in a coffee cup. Now it has their own protective case, and I see these cases are really helpful in keeping your hooks in one place. Also, I really want to protect these crochet hooks because they're not cheap. These crochet hooks, the Clover, the Etimo, the Tulip hooks, Soft Touch, these hooks, the hook sets are not cheap. So we must protect them also, or we must take care of these investments so that they can last us for a long time. Alright, so if ever you buy a Clover Amour, maybe consider looking around for a case for it. I saw some crocheters just putting it in a pencil case, and that works for them. That's okay too, as long as you can keep all the hooks in one place and protected away from elements. Alright, so this is the pocket, and I'm trying to put my scissor there. I can't stop looking at it, it's so pretty. For those who already have their Clover Amour set, where did you put your Clover Amour hooks? I'd like to know in the comments if you have any other ideas for hooks, cases for your Clover Amour. Let me know in the comment section, because this is the only option that I saw, and I think it's okay for traveling. Alright, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Alright, so if you like this video, please don't forget to like, to comment, and to share this video. I know I always say it, but it does really help me in making more videos like this. So, see you next time. See you in my next video. Bye!